Language. It's how we express ourselves, inspire,
I have a dream.
connect. Language has helped our society evolve. Where there is human experience, there is language. What if we can find insights in all that speech and all that text that surround us? Modern computing is now reaching the power to process human language. From capabilities like universal translation to summarizing legal documents, and even understanding human emotion. We're just beginning to explore the possibilities. That's why we've developed the Natural Language Processing Nanodegree program. Master the skills that are changing the world. You'll build a GitHub portfolio of projects with machine translation, neural networks, and speech recognition. Because when you teach computers to not just understand language, but to actually generate new communication, you can help take the human experience to a whole new level. Join us at Udacity and get started with NLP.